Hello everyone, welcome back again. In this video, I am going to discussing about elements of prompt design. When you are working with large language models, by using simple prompt, we can generate complex prompts and also we can generate anything. But when you are working with agentic AI, that means when you want to build your own AI agents, when you want to build your own GPTs, at that time you need to give some instructions, you need to give some guidelines to agents. You need to give some instructions to your GPTs to build how your agent need to behave, how your agent need to give the results. For that you need to give some guidelines, you need to give some instructions. Based on those instructions, based on those guidelines, the agent works in future. For that instructions, to give that guidelines, we need to know about the elements of prompt design. How can we give instructions? How can we give guidelines to agents, custom GPTs? Let's see the elements of prompt design. See, first one is, let's discuss on elements of prompt design. Start with delimiters. Delimiters in prompt engineering. In prompt engineering, delimiters are special characters or strings used in clearly separate different parts of your prompt for the language model. Separate different parts of your prompt for the large language model. They help the model understand the structure and the distinct roles of various instructions or data you provide. This prevents ambiguity and guides the model towards the desired output. See, these delimiters separates the text from the regular text. For example, using triple brackets to enclose code in a prompt helps the model identify it as code that needs to be understood or analyzed differently from regular text by using triple brackets or by using hashtag. So you are separating the other normal text by using delimiters. For example, let's see this by using hashtags. I am separating the text from the regular text. See here the task. The task should be within the hashtags. That means I am separating this word task from the other normal text. So the large language models understood need to give importance for this word. So here I am write a short story about an astronaut discovering a new planet. By using hashtags, I am differentiating the text from regular text. Below here I am using constraints. Same like with triple quotes. Here I am using triple quotes to differentiate the text from other normal regular text. So these are the delimiters we can use to differentiate the text from regular text when you are working with prompt engineering. When you are building your own AI agents to give instructions or guidelines, we can use these delimiters. These delimiters play key role when you are working with agents, when you are building agents. Same like definitions. Definitions in prompt engineering. Providing clear definitions within your prompt is crucial for establishing a shared understanding of specific terms or concepts with the language model. This is especially important for technical or domain-specific language. By defining terms, you reduce the chance of the model misinterpreting your intent and generating irrelevant or incorrect responses. For example, in a prompt asking for a summary of quantum entanglement, you might include a brief definition of the term to ensure the model focuses on the correct concept. Let's see the example. Here I am using definition. I am using definition. A chatbot is an AI powered program that simulates human conversation. This is the definition. The task is write a 50-word introduction for a chatbot that helps users manage their daily tasks efficiently. So the large language models understand what is a definition. So what is the task? We are differentiating the prompt by using these words, by using definitions, task. The next element is markdown. When we are working with Python, there is an option like markdown to give headings, subheadings, bold text, italic text, and also to write unordered list. So markdown plays key role. When it comes to HTML, hypertext markup language, When it comes to hypertext markup language, we can use H1, H2, H3 tags to give headings until H7, like bold tag for to make the bold text, italic tag to use for text makes italic, underline tag used to make underline text. Same like in Python Markdown, we can use hashtags. One hashtag is indicates to H1. If you give two hashtags before the text, that means H2, H1, H2, H3 until H7, like that. One hashtag, two hashtags before the text, three hashtags before the text means H3. When you are using like stars, important like stars, that means bold, and also so we give italic, and also we can give unordered list. Let's see how we can use this markdown in Python Markdown. Let's see. Compare with HTML and Python. See, when it comes to HTML, we can give like H1 tags like this. H1. This is heading 1. May you all know these things, right? You write headings like this, we can do like this. This is H2. This is H3. This is H4. This is H5. Same like you can give until 7. H2, H3, H4 and H5. So same like you can write bold tags. This is bold text. Even you can write italic. This is italic text. Let's save with .html and can see on browser. See, this is how we can use hashtags and bold text and italic text in HTML language. Same like in Python, we can use hashtag for heading. Let's see. This is Google Colab. Already we introduced when we are discussing about Google Gemini. Let's see how we can write markdown elements in Python. For example, here just select text. In the text cell, we can write headings, list, bold, text. Let's see. By using hashtag, one hashtag, that means heading 1. Let's you can see side. This is heading 1. By using two hashtags, by using two hashtags before the text means heading 2. 3 hashtags means heading 3. Same like HTML, H1, H2, H3. Here we are using hashtags for headings. For bold, we can use like this. Bold text. This is the bold text. To make it italic, you can use like this. Italic text. So this is the italic text. These are the elements to you to design the text. Markdown elements. In Python, we can use hashtag for heading, stars for bold, single star for italic. Same like we can use like this. Line 1. Unordered list. Unordered list. Line 2. This is line 3. These are the list. Headings, bold text, italic, list. This is all about elements in Python. Next one is handlebars. Handlebars in prompt engineering. Handlebars can be applied in prompt engineering when you need to generate multiple similar prompts with slight variations based on different data inputs. Handlebars can be applied in prompt engineering when you need to generate multiple similar prompts. Need to generate multiple similar prompts with slight variations based on different data inputs. Instead of manually writing each prompt, you can create template with placeholders that are then filled with specific values. This streamlines the process of experimenting and iterating with different inputs. Let's see with an example for better understanding. See, here I am using a prompt. You could create a handlebars template like here I am using a prompt like summarize this article about handlebars in handlebars and then use it to generate prompts for summarizing articles about artificial intelligence in a concise style and climate change in an explanatory style. For example, here I am asking summarize this article about topic style. Here the topic and styles are in handlebars, flower brackets. Even I am using these handlebars to my logo also. So for specification, for highlighting. See, in the place of topic, you can use any topic like artificial intelligence. So today, I want to write artificial intelligence topic for my LinkedIn post. So I am using style for LinkedIn post. Tomorrow, I am using same summarize this article about like climate change for news article. So by changing handlebar content, you can change entire topic, entire prompt by using these handlebars. So first time you can use for LinkedIn post. Topic is artificial intelligence. Style is LinkedIn post. Next time you can use climate change for blog article or news article. Next time you can use some other topic for some other styles for news, blog, any content generation. By using simple changes, you can make complete different prompt by using these handlebars. This is the template. So for example, if you want to write a mail, continuously you need to write mail just with the change of name or date. By using these handlebars, you can change name and date. The remaining text should be the same. Let's see with practical example for better understanding. Let's try with DeepSeek. Write article about I'm giving topic like in the handlebars. Change the topic to AI. Style should be blog post. Enter. Write article about AI in blog post. It's generating content for blog post. Same template we can use for another topic like climate change. Style should be news article. Enter. Write article about climate change as a news article. Same template by using handlebars. I am changing for new topic. This is how we can use handlebars to make templates, prompt templates designing. This is all about handlebars. These all are the elements we are using in prompt design. Let's move on to next.